Hello, work life warriors. How are you? Happy Friday. How are you doing today? It is very easy. There are only four components of laughter yoga. And the first one is eye contact. So we have mirror neurons in our eyes. We can activate a more genuine laugh by looking at each other in the eyes while we are laughing. So if you're doing it with another person, look them in their eyes. Or a group of people, move around and look at each other in the eyes. If you are doing it solo, just look in the camera, look in my eyes. When we start, I'll take off the glasses. The second one is hand clapping. Clapping is associated with all the good and happy things in life. Our body has over 340 known pressure points. 28 of them are located in our hands. Daily clapping helps those that suffer from diabetes, arthritis, hypertension, depression, chronic headaches, common cold, insomnia, eye problems, and hair loss. Make sure that you connect your fingertips so that your major organs can get the benefits when you clap. In between each laughter yoga exercise, we do a chant, and make sure that you connect your fingers when you say it and add a little movement by going left to right. And it goes like this. Very good, very good. Yay. And make sure you activate your spirit fingers. The third one is the third component is laughter and breathing. We want to laugh and breathe from our belly or diaphragm when we are laughing. We don't want to run out of breath so that we can't talk or chant. We need to keep our eyes on our breathing so that we're taking in enough oxygen. And the fourth one is to let your guard down and bring your childlike energy. Yes, just be childish and silly and have a good time. At first, you will be a little subconscious and you will have to fake the laughter, but as you relax and have a good time, you will begin to laugh for real. Are we ready to do some laughter yoga? Are we ready? Okay, so let's just warm up with a good shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Let's just shake it out. Shake out all of the stress of the week. I know there's been some deadlines, some disappointing news, some traffic, some meetings, some bad energy. Just shake it off, shake it out, get it out of there. Just shake it off. Shake, shake, shake. Give it a good shake. And the first laughter yoga exercise we're going to do is we're just going to laugh. We're going to let out one big laugh. Try to laugh deep in your belly. Keep an eye on your breathing. And if you're sitting, make sure that you stay planted. You don't fall out the chair. And make sure you keep an eye on your breathing. If you're moving around, that adds an extra layer. So keep an eye on your breathing. Ready? Go. Very good, very good. Yay! The next one we're going to do is a mental floss. We're going to pretend that we are flossing our brain for laughter. So we're going to take a piece of floss and cut it off, and then we're going to prepare it to loop it through our ear. So you put one side in this ear and you pull it out, and as you're flossing, you're going to giggle. Ready? Go. Very good, very good. Yay! The next one we're going to do is we're going to do fake smile with our eye contact. So we're going to look into the camera and do fake versions of smile while making eye contact, and then we're going to laugh. So we know that there's many different variations of smiling, and we're going to fake it until we actually feel like smiling or laughing. Ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay. The next one we're going to try is, I don't know what generation you're from. I was born in the 80s. So in the 90s, there was a cartoon called Woody Woodpecker. So we're gonna do the Woody Woodpecker laugh. And he would go, so we're gonna try to do a couple of versions of that until we begin to laugh in real life. Ready? Go. I don't sound nothing like it. Very good, very good. Yay. The next one we're going to do is a soft and deep laugh. So we're going to alternate between soft laughter and deep laughter until we genuinely laugh. Ready? Go. Very good, very good. Yay. The next one we're going to do is a yawn laugh. So we're going to pretend to yawn. And when we get to the height of our yawn, we're going to laugh. I'm going to show you just to kind of demonstrate, and then just join me when you're ready. Ready? Go. Very good, very good. Yay. So the next one we're going to do is the balloon blow. So we're going to prepare a balloon. Let's prepare our balloon. And you know how you have to stretch the balloon so you can get as much air in it. We want to stretch our balloon so we can get as much laughter as we could possibly get in our balloon. Then we're going to hold it up to our mouth. And this exercise is a combination of deep breathing and laughter yoga. So you want to inhale through your nose, deep into your belly. And then when you exhale, you want to blow your air into the balloon. We're going to take 3 deep breaths to fill up this balloon full of laughter. Ready? Take a deep breath in through your nose. Close it back up. So you take a deep breath in through your nose, down into your diaphragm, and exhale into the balloon. Ready? Deep breath in through your nostrils. Last one, we're going to make it a really, really, really deep breath. We're going to take in as much air as we possibly can. We want to get the full laugh potential of our balloon. Ready? In through your nostrils, deep into your abdomen. Ready? Close it up. We have a nice sized balloon, don't we? Now, what we're going to do is let our laughs out slowly until we get all of them out. Ready? Go. Tee, tee. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Let a little bit more out. Let a little bit out. Let all of it out. Very good. Very good. Yay. So I have 12, 19. I'll do 2 more exercises, then I'll let you go. I want to respect your time. So the next one we're going to do is think about the biggest bill you have in your life. We want to take some power back away from all the bills that we're paying. So think about the biggest bill that you have in your life right now that is stressing you out. Hold it imaginary in your hand, or you can go and get a real bill. Look at that bill, and as you look at it, let it build up some laughter until you are laughing at this bill, taking its power away so that it no longer stress you. Ready? Go. Okay. Very good. Very good. Yay! Now, the last one we're going to do today is the laughter yoga clap. And we know this one. We tried it in all of our laughter yoga exercises sessions with this clap so that we can get some clapping on for its benefits. And it is the ho ho ha ha clap. And we're going to go from left to right. Join me when you're ready. And we're going to laughter yoga clap our way out and chant our way out. And I want to go ahead and respect your time. So ready? Go. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Make sure your fingertips connect. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Very good. Very good. Yay. Well, how do you feel, work life warriors? Thanks for laughing with me.